Professional chiropractic care can be extremely effective in alleviating your pain and improving your mobility. Austin Life Chiropractic, a chiropractic office based in Round Rock, Texas, announced an updated range of therapies for patients in Avery Ranch. The practice uses advanced chiropractic protocols to alleviate a variety of musculoskeletal issues, including chronic and acute neck pain and whiplash. The newly released services aim to provide the Round Rock community with a flexible, research-based and highly effective chiropractic solution. The clinic uses advanced chiropractic techniques adapted to you and your family's needs. The upper cervical care protocols include detailed X-ray analyses to determine the root cause of your pain and create a personalized adjustment plan. The Round Rock Chiropractors fine-tune the adjustments to maximize therapeutic efficiency and provide you with a custom chiropractic plan. Go to http://austinlifacarar.com for more info.